Let me show you how you can create this nice looking neon effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Layers panel. If you are not seeing Layers panel, go to Windows and check. Right click on the layer and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Effects and choose Blending Options. Choose Inner Glow. Like I said, choose Inner Glow. Make sure the blending mode is Hard Light. Opacity 35. Color, you can pick that color code, you can use mine too, or you can use yours. Click OK. Make sure the size is around 6 or 7. Like so. I will go with 6. Then outer glow. Blending mode should be linear dodge. Add. Opacity around 80% or 70ish. For the size, you can go with 35 or you can tweak until you feel satisfied. But I will go with 35. Click Contour. Follow the settings. Input 11, output 28. Second step, input 34, output 65. Third step, input 64, output 94, and then click OK. Then OK. Now drag and drop to the new layer icon to make a copy, like so. Drag the copy below. Right click and go to Blending Options to delete Inner Glow. So you go to Blending Options like so and remove or uncheck Inner Glow. Add a stroke. I will take black and the size adjust to 1. It should be positioned inside. And go to Outer Glow. 35. You can change it to anything. You can tweak until you feel satisfied. You can click OK. Now the next step, I'm going to apply a drop shadow, but let me adjust some glow right here. So if you go back, now I can apply a drop shadow. The first step on applying a drop shadow, I will change the blending mode to linear light. Opacity, I will change it to 21%. Angle, I'll go with 50 degrees. Distance, 47 pixels. Spread, 10 pixels. And the size, 43 pixels. And that's it. The rest you can go back and tweak. Where you are not satisfied, you can still go back and follow the same procedure by simply adjusting or tweaking our panels. And that's all, guys. So thank you for watching, and please, if you have enjoyed my tutorial, give me a like, and you can otherwise comment, and also give me a subscription to support my channel so as to drop more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching. Peace.